If you're looking to create a comfortable outdoor retreat without investing in a permanent patio structure, the 12-foot by 12-foot Metal Roof Gazebo Canopy by YMGSCC is a practical option worth considering. Designed with a durable hardtop roof, an aluminum frame, privacy curtains, and mosquito netting, this gazebo is built to provide a comfortable outdoor living space for relaxing, dining, or entertaining guests. Whether you're upgrading your backyard, patio, deck, or garden, this gazebo offers a combination of durability, weather protection, and style. One of the biggest advantages of this gazebo is its 12-foot by 12-foot size, which provides plenty of room for outdoor furniture. The spacious interior easily accommodates a dining table, lounge chairs, outdoor sofas, or even a small conversation set. This makes it ideal for family gatherings, weekend barbecues, birthday celebrations, or simply enjoying your morning coffee in the fresh air. The standout feature is the galvanized steel hardtop roof. Unlike traditional fabric canopies that can fade or wear out over time, a galvanized steel roof provides improved durability and better resistance to rain, sunlight, and everyday weather exposure. It also offers dependable shade during hot summer days while helping protect outdoor furniture from direct sunlight. Another important feature is the two-tier roof design. This ventilated roof allows warm air to escape through the upper section while promoting better airflow underneath the gazebo. The improved ventilation helps create a cooler environment during warmer months and also contributes to the structure's stability during breezy conditions by reducing wind pressure against the roof. The powder-coated aluminum frame adds another layer of durability while keeping the structure lightweight compared to steel alternatives. Aluminum naturally resists rust and corrosion, making it an excellent choice for outdoor environments where exposure to moisture is unavoidable. The sturdy frame also provides solid support for the roof while maintaining a clean, modern appearance. A feature many homeowners will appreciate is the inclusion of both privacy curtains and mesh netting. The mesh sidewalls help keep mosquitoes, flies, and other insects outside, allowing you to enjoy summer evenings in greater comfort. When additional privacy or protection from the sun is needed, simply close the full-length curtains. They also offer extra shelter during light rain or windy conditions, making the gazebo more versatile throughout the year. Another thoughtful detail is the ability to hang lights, lanterns, ceiling fans, or decorative accessories from the roof frame. This allows you to personalize the space for different occasions. Add string lights for evening gatherings, decorative lanterns for a cozy atmosphere, or seasonal decorations to match holidays and celebrations. These small touches can completely transform the gazebo into an inviting outdoor living room. The gazebo's overall design blends well with many landscaping styles. Whether your backyard features modern patio furniture, traditional garden decor, or rustic outdoor seating, the clean lines and neutral appearance make it easy to incorporate into existing outdoor spaces. Assembly is something prospective buyers should prepare for. Like most hardtop gazebos, installation requires time, patience, and at least 2 or 3 people. Organizing the parts beforehand, carefully following the instruction manual, and building on a level surface will make the process much easier. While the setup isn't particularly difficult, the size of a structure means it's not a one-person project. Once assembled, the gazebo provides a versatile outdoor shelter suitable for many different activities. It can serve as an outdoor dining area, reading space, entertainment zone, hot tub cover, outdoor office, yoga retreat, or simply a shaded place to relax during the afternoon. Its combination of weather protection and ventilation makes it useful throughout much of the year. Customer feedback on this particular model is limited, but one buyer humorously commented that the gazebo was so impressive they joked about living in it because housing costs were so high. While clearly lighthearted, the remark reflects the spacious interior and comfortable atmosphere the structure creates. Of course, it's important to set realistic expectations. Although the galvanized steel roof and aluminum frame offer better durability than many soft-top gazebos, this product is still intended as an outdoor shelter rather than a fully enclosed permanent building. Proper installation and periodic maintenance will help maximize its lifespan and performance in changing weather conditions. Overall, the YMGSCC 12-foot by 12-foot metal roof gazebo canopy is a solid choice for homeowners looking to enhance their backyard with a stylish and functional outdoor structure. Its durable galvanized steel roof, rust-resistant aluminum frame, ventilated two-tier design, privacy curtains, insect netting, and spacious layout make it well-suited for relaxing, entertaining, and everyday outdoor living. If you want an attractive hardtop gazebo that provides dependable shelter while creating a comfortable extension of your home, this model is certainly worth considering.